Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW 3 Series. That will be the generation guys 2005 to 2013, and we'll show you guys how to remove, okay, let me show and replace the CD audio, okay, player here with the DVD. Now some models will not have the DVD unit, some will do, depending on which modification you have, which model and all that stuff, but we'll show you how to remove that radio CD DVD player here. We'll have to do quite a bit of work to get to it because you cannot just pull it out, and we'll show you why. Now, in the meantime guys, we have more than 200 videos taking this car apart, so please subscribe, give a thumb up guys. Keep watching, and if you need help with anything, drop a comment, we'll try our best to make a video for you. So, let's start on it now. So the first step will be to remove, okay, that trim piece right here, and you will see why. Now, this one, okay guys, you have to be gentle how you do that. Plastic panel removal too, so we don't scratch and cause any damage. You can still damage things, don't get me wrong, but the possibility is very low. Now you can see how the wood is cracked here. Somebody applied enormous amount of pressure, probably in the past, removed it, okay, and as a result the wood cracked. So what do we need to do now guys? We need to just start pulling a few clips here and there. Okay, it's tight, don't get me wrong, this thing is super tight, and there is metal sliders, glides. Okay, we'll show you what they look like in just a minute. So let me just start on it somewhere. It comes out a little bit at a time. So I'll come on this side now a little bit. Okay, it came out from one clip here. Never go around the vents because you can break the vents. Okay. Perfect, it came loose on this side. This is just from the plastic panel removal too. Those things are amazing, super durable. You can find them in the description of the video below guys for your convenience. Now we need to pull a little bit more. Okay, now we have a little bit on this side here. Still holding. Okay, perfect. Now, with your fingers you're going to grab that switch from the back side and push it out. Okay, check it out now. Okay, by pushing it out, you can pull it and disconnect the wires. Okay, because otherwise it's practically impossible to disconnect those wires. So now with a small flathead screwdriver guys, okay, like that, there is one clip, okay, so we can push that wire out. You have to be extremely gentle because otherwise, okay, you can break it. That same clip is like right here too, so you can press on it with a smaller screwdriver, but we don't have one. Okay, the other one is on the bottom. Perfect, this one is out, I'll just leave it out of the way. Now, we need to disconnect our ignition switch here. Okay, that's the start-stop button. Those two things, press them in, pull it out. Okay, now I'll get that piece out of the way and show you what we need to do next. So in order to remove the radio CD DVD player here, we'll need to remove the heater switch because it's laying on top of it, and otherwise we will not be able to remove it. So let's do that now. So with the plastic panel removal too, again one of the two guys that I have here, okay, we need to go ahead and again just gently pull that thing out. Okay, let me see where I can pry on it a little bit. Okay, because this one is actually extremely tight. Okay, perfect. One side is out, the other one as well. Next, you can just flip it here, but you don't want to damage any cable. So what I will do, I'll just disconnect it quick so you can see how we can do that. And this is why we removed it, because it's sitting here. You can see on that plastic trim, that's part of the CD, DVD player and the heated seat switch as well. Next, we'll need to remove that trim piece that covers the heated seat switch and the CD, DVD player unit here. So, okay, this one has a few clips now, so with a small plastic panel removal tool, go on the side, okay, and pop them open. You have to be careful not to break that thing, because you can, okay, you can break it actually. So let me get a little bit thicker too, because this one is not as sturdy as it should be. Perfect. Now that wire, we need to see if it stays here or if it comes out. Something we don't know yet. Okay, looks like right here in the middle we have more clips. Okay. And that wire actually comes all the way here now. Okay, remember how it goes in and out? Okay, like that. Next, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver, and we use the power screwdriver here. You can check it out, guys, in the description of the video. Nothing sponsored here, but just the tools we use, we like to share with you. That thing has seen so much abuse for the last year and a half. Okay, 2 screws now removed, 2 more. Last one. Now, okay, we're going to grab the thing. We'll need to see if we need to place the car actually. Okay, in. We need to put it in neutral here, because if it's in drive, in park, you cannot. Okay, you cannot move the switch. Now, the trick about that is we don't have the ignition switch. So, what I'll do, okay, let me show you now. We should have thought about that earlier. I'll just go ahead and disconnect it here quick. Okay, there is 2 things that you press in on it, and we can pull it out. Okay, let me connect it now. Perfect. Okay, let's put it in neutral, turn the car off. You have to have the emergency brake up. Okay, and we can continue with the next step now. Which is to pull it up. And in our case, we need to disconnect all the cables now. Okay, and I mean all the cables. That's a lot of stuff here, I'll show you in a second. From that point on, all we have to do is disconnect your cables. Those little ones, you just press in, release them. That's a fan. You do not disconnect this one. There is a small cable on this side, and after that you go to the other side, are the big cables. I will not be able to get the camera in there because of the limited room, but that's how you guys get to that point. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Putting it together is in reverse order with 2 guitar parts, so thank you for watching and see you guys next time.